okay. It's your comfortability. Voice also it will record, right?
Yes, sir.
This will be the opening screen.
Yes, sir.
Here, first, what you can do, the first screen, whichever comes, just close it. Okay. File, new.
New.
Here, we have to go with partition. Template, partition. Okay. Now, this is my partition. Yesterday, you saw my video, right?
Yes,
and
sir.
also you saw first angle projection and third angle projection.
Yes.
There, this is an infinite space. But I want some reference here.
That's
Correct.
right.
That reference is only these planes. You see, by default it will be hidden. If you want to see the plane in this eye, okay, hide all types. Select, hide, show primary planes. Understood? These three planes are required. In AutoCAD, you will have one coordinate system, UCS,
Yes.
Universal Coordinate System. Similarly, this is my coordinate system. Here, vertical axis is Y, X, Z. Understood? 3 axes. An object has got how many views?
2, sir.
2.
3 మామూలుగా
And how many views? Because yesterday this object has got how many views?
1 view, sir.
1 view.
Front to back another.
How many views are there?
2, sir.
2. Front, rear,
Front to rear.
left,
Right.
right, top, bottom.
Bottom.
How many views?
6.
But you said only 2. Okay. When we have 6 views, why we call this as 3D? You should call 6D, right?
Back side.
6 views are there.
Yes, sir.
You should call 6D, right?
Yes, sir.
What we call 3D? Why? Any idea? Okay. Now this is a corner. This is front wall. This is left wall. This is ceiling.
Sir.
Okay.
3.
If you see this, you can see only 3. Can you see the floor?
6.
Imagine. If you see this corner, okay, see this corner. This is your front. This is your right.
Right.
And floor.
So,
One view. There is also ceiling. Can you see ceiling when you are seeing these 3?
yes, sir.
Why?
3 views, sir.
Why? Because human eye
Focus on the
restriction is only 3 views. That's why we call 3D.
3.
Understand? There is 4D also is there. Get up. Because see how you go to that corner. Still corner end. Push that. Now can you see 4? Here itself. Can you see? Don't, without lifting head, straight means you will see front, right, floor, also slightly roof. Understood? So from the focus point, if you move away, we can see 4.
4.
But by default, we can see only 3. Understood? Come, keep the chair. Now you understood why we call 3D.
Yes, sir.
That's why our study system, X, Y, Z,
X, Y,
differentiation, X, Y, Z, not Z, Z.
Z, yeah?
Okay. Zebra, Zebronics, Zero, where? Zebronics, Zbronics, you do not say.
Okay.
Correct? That's right. Now you understood why our study system is based upon only 3 axes, X, Y,
Y,
Z.
G.
X, Y, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional. Understand? How this paper, X, Y, what we get 2 dimension, we get area. Correct? Confusing or difficult?
Easy, sir.
Area. If
Area.
you want to have volume,
Yes, sir.
how to have volume to this area? If you give height,
Height 2.
if you give height, it is volume. Understand? 3-dimensional. X, Y, Z. Length, breadth, height.
Height.
3-dimensional. That's why our entire study system is decided and designed according to the three views what we can see. Differentiation with respect to x, y, z. Apart from that, anything is there? Integration x, y, z. Understood? Entire system is x, y, z.
G.
Okay, because human limitation. Now you understood.
Yes, sir.
Now, syllabus. Something problem with syllabus. Oh God, what happened? I'm taking the syllabus. This is the syllabus. Okay. Now, introduction to PDC.
Okay, sir.
This is category. This is the new syllabus. Here, not PDC. Here it should be introduction to SolidWorks. Okay.
PDC means, sir.
PTC, no, PTC is wrong. They typed it wrong. Okay. Okay. You know what is CAD, CAM, CAE?
Computer aided.
Designing,
Design.
not drafting. Okay. Now what we study is CAD. CAM is computer aided manufacturing. CAE is computer aided engineering. Okay. Introduction about SolidWorks. You can study through net. When it was invented, who was invented, who is owning SolidWorks is the company name is Dassault Systems.
Dassault.
Okay. Where you can find us in help. If you go about SolidWorks, SolidWorks is owned by Dassault System. Okay, understand? Dassault Systems. This is the company. This company only developed CATIA. SolidWorks, this company did not develop, but this purchased. Okay.
CATIA developer.
CATIA is a company, software developed by Dassault Systems. Dassault Systems is a French aircraft manufacturer. Okay. Dassault Mirage, Dassault Rafale. Recently also in Sindoor operation on aircraft we lost, right? Rafale. That is also from Dassault. That company developed CATIA but purchased SolidWorks. Okay. These all things are basics. History of SolidWorks. If you type in Google, you will get it.
History?
History of SolidWorks or introduction to SolidWorks. If you try this in Google, you will get it. Okay. Now, to hide this plane, this is my GUI. GUI is called Graphical User Interface.
GUI.
Graphical User Interface. Wait, video notes is there.
Full form, sir.
Full form. No, GUI you make it short, then you study what is, okay, in Google Notes. Because I want you to focus only here, not writing notes. Okay? Here time is short. Full form also you will get it from it. Okay, GUI. I'll give you the syllabus also. Okay, I'll give you the syllabus. Okay, then you can study. Boom. Now here to switch off planes.
Yeah.
Now here you can't have any reference. You won't have one reference. That's only you're turning on this reference. Why there are three planes?
X, Y.
Only
3D.
because three planes. Now here right plane opposite is left. Right this side opposite is left. Front opposite is back side.
Back.
Here top bottom. That's why only three. This is common for all the designing software. CATIA, Creo, Pro E, that is CATIA, Creo, Unigraphics, SolidWorks, Inventor, everywhere these three will be there. Yesterday you saw explained four plane. Why this four plane is there? What is the proof for this four plane? These three planes? No proof. This is reference.
Reference line.
Understand? There is no proof for. We are believing these are the three planes because the object has got 6 views. In that 3 views only I am seeing. That's why we are keeping 3 planes. This GUI. This is pull down menu bar. Why it is called pull down menu bar? If you click, you will get all pull down menu bar. This is palettes. Okay, commands. In AutoCAD also it will be there, right? Buttons. This is palettes. Okay, this area. In palettes, these are the changing tabs. Can you see? Okay. Here in SolidWorks, we will be seeing sketch, part, assembly, and drafting.
Sketch, part, assembly,
And
drafting.
That is our syllabus. Okay. In the syllabus, if you see, first initially we will be going for sketch. Part is solid modeling. Okay.
Assembly.
From solid modeling, later we will go to assembly. Okay. And we will also have welding. Before assembly, we will also have sheet metal. Okay. Sheet metal. Part is in itself, two things will be there. Okay. You can name this sketch,
Sketch.
solid modeling,
Solid modeling.
surface modeling,
Surface.
sheet metal,
Sheet metal.
assembly,
Assembly.
and drafting.
Drafting. 6.
Okay, this is the basic syllabus we do. This SolidWorks is an ocean. You know, ocean, very big.
Very big.
In that, only one small part we are learning because we have only 35 hours. How these 35 hours will be useful for you is if you enter in an industry is not ready to teach you everything.
Yes,
Understand? They want a person who's already trained in it. Understand? That's why what they say is they want a person who's already has got some experience. That time, these 35 hours and your experience in doing models will be added advantage. Understood?
Yes, sir.
How this is going to be useful these 35 hours. So far till this clear? Next, how to go inside. These 3 planes is there. Example, sketch. You start with sketch. This is sketch. Which plane I want to draw my sketch? For example, top plane. Select. It will go default. This is top plane. See here. X, Y. Y is green color. Can you see here? X and Y.
Yeah.
Top plane. Now switch off this. Okay. Now I am creating one rectangle.
Height, sir, that one.
Height, because then only you will be having a free space.
Okay.
See, your coordinate system is there. Okay. Now, after creating its rectangle, again it will be there. Rectangle. Another rectangle you will try to create. If you keep escape, it is going. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Now, I have done an rectangle. Exit.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Now this is exit. Now if you see, use the middle mouse button. Can you see?
Scroll.
3D. Not scroll. This is 3D.
Okay.
Understand? Control this one, space bar. 6 views there. Front opposite, rear,
Yeah.
back, okay, right, left, top, bottom. Understood? This one, how you can see is control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 isometric. Why it is
Control
not
7.
visible? Why it is not visible? Because it is having only 2D. I don't want you to do 3D, but to your reference I will show you. I'm making 3D, I'm not teaching you anything. Now see here, control 1, front view, control 2, right view, side view, top view, rear view. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Control 7 is isometric. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you don't want to use this shortcut, press space bar. Space bar.
Okay.
Can you see? In this isometric view, where it will be there, this is isometric. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is called tree, specification tree. Part is my name. This part by default part. Now in this 3 planes are there and one origin. Where these 3 planes meet, there is an origin.
One article.
And this is first product. Now below this one more product I am doing. One more design. Exit. Can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps will be going. In AutoCAD, you will not remember the steps.
Tree
Understand?
is not visible.
No path is there. But here, what all the path you are doing, everything will be visible. Even 1,000 times you do also, the path will be visible.
Modify easily.
Then only you can do. If you want to change this area, see here. This I am not teaching it. This one, right click, edit definition. See here. Now I am not given any dimension. I want to change the first one. Let me see. What can I change? Understood?
Sir.
How it is different from AutoCAD. Okay. Now again I am closing this one. I am not saving anything. File, new, part. Okay. Now here sketch. Which plane I want. If you press sketch, by default it will be there. Or better to keep this one show. Now sketch. Keep top.
Top.
Switch
Right.
off. Then only all 3 places one origin. Can you see the origin?
Sir.
This is origin. Here I want you to practice this one
Okay.
line. Okay. Center line, midpoint line. Understood? Rectangle, centered rectangle. Okay. Any complex, any rocket science here? Any rocket science?
No, sir.
All this one you want to practice. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Output. Hexagon. Okay. Circle, arc, ellipse. Okay. This fillet. Similarly, select this one. Fillet. What radius? 1 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I want you to practice this one. If you want to come out of this one, exit. Okay. This is you are practicing only Sketcher. Okay. This is like AutoCAD only. I want you to practice this all. Okay. If you want to edit this one, I am not teaching you dimensions now.
No damage.
I am asking you to go for the output. Okay. Edit definition. Okay. This is circle. Again circle, perimeter circle. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Perimeter circle is drawing with row circle. Normal circle is drawing with compass. Center.
One single circle.
Understood? Similarly, 3 types of arc is there. Tangent arc, for what it will draw, will make a point. From here I want a tangent arc. Where? Here. Can you see? Tangency. Only one tangency will be there. Can you see it? This one is tangent. This is tangent arc. Similarly, these 4 I want you to try. Okay. If you are not getting what you want to do, because already you studied ellipse, parabola, conic and all. If you are not getting what you have to do, ask Google.
Sir.
Correct?
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, Google or YouTube. Understand? Clear with this. This is also the center point arc slot. Here how it will be there? One center, start, end, arc. Similarly, 3-point arc. 1, 2,
3.
point, then center slot, straight slot. Understood? It will all have here. Here also you can see how much dimensions are going. I want you to only practice this one. Okay? Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
If you don't want anything, select this, delete.
Select.
Delete.
AutoCAD.
Totally select all.
AutoCAD.
AutoCAD only. Top crossing, bottom crossing. You know top crossing. You don't know AutoCAD what is top crossing, bottom crossing.
Yes, sir.
From top, if you cross it,
No.
full should be covered, then only it will delete. But from bottom crossing, if it touches also it's enough. That one will delete. Understood this one? They taught you AutoCAD.
Yes, sir.
Top crossing, bottom crossing. Okay, bottom crossing, if it touches, it's enough. Okay. To exit, say one circle and draw. Exit is this one. Sketch. Again, if you want to edit this sketch, right click, edit sketch. Now it will become active. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now I am making one more triangle. Escape, exit sketch. Again to edit, right click, edit. Okay? You can stop the video.